Bay of Bengal in the east. It is traversed by many rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Children, here I want to give you one question. You have to find out through which states these South Indian rivers are flowing. You need to find out this. So, the slope of this plateau or the Indian or peninsular plateau is from west towards the east. So, these all rivers had cut down this peninsular plateau. The plateau of Shan in Myanmar and the plateau of Yunnan in China are parts of the same plateau. So all the plateaus are same, but as they fall into different countries, so the names varies. This plateau too has a steep western slope and is drained by the Salween, Mekong and Sikiang rivers. So these rivers are of China. Now next we move to the great river valleys. Many large rivers rise in the snow-covered mountains and plateaus of the central highlands of Asia. So in Asia you will find many great rivers which are arising or which are originating from snow-covered mountains. They are called as snow-capped mountains, means the line above which the mountains are covered by snow throughout the year. Such mountains are called as snow-capped mountain like Kanchenjunga or Himalayas. These rivers have brought down and deposited huge amounts of alluvium, giving rise to extensive fertile plains. So children, when the rivers are flowing from the mountains, they bring lots of alluvial soil with them and they are deposited on the plains or just at the bank of the river, and in this way the fertile basins or plains are formed. The great river valleys are located between the central highland and the southern plateau. So in the center what is located? This central highland, and to the south located the southern plateau. So between the central highland and the southern plateau lies the extensive fertile plains. So next day we will continue the different plains, great river valleys of Asia. Thank you children. And here I want to tell you that my email ID is rashmis2121@gmail.com. You need to write all the questions and send it on my this email ID. Once again I want to repeat, rashmis2121@gmail.com. Thank you children and have a nice day.